Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Amazfit device to Samsung Health. While a direct link isn't available, we'll show you an easy, reliable method. We'll cover the necessary intermediary application and guide you through the straightforward setup process. By the end, you'll have a unified view of your health data, making it simple to track your progress across both platforms. The key to connecting your Amazfit device is the Zepp Life application, formerly known as MyFit. This app serves as the essential bridge, gathering all your fitness and health data from your Amazfit device. Before proceeding, make sure your Amazfit is already paired and syncing correctly with Zepp Life. It's the foundational step for a seamless transfer of your valuable health information. Now let's connect Zepp Life to Samsung Health. First, open the Zepp Life application on your smartphone. Tap on the Profile tab, usually found at the bottom right. Then, look for and select Add Accounts. From the list of available services, choose Samsung Health. You will then be prompted to grant the necessary permissions for data sharing. Ensure all permissions are enabled for a complete sync. Finally, let's confirm your data is flowing correctly. Open the Samsung Health application on your device. Navigate to your dashboard or relevant sections like activity, sleep, or heart rate. You should now see your Amazfit data appearing there. Please allow a few minutes for the initial synchronization to fully complete. With this setup, you can enjoy a comprehensive and unified view of all your health and fitness metrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.